Well, oh, it's a nice one, mate. Lovely looking fish. We just scrap like mad to the net. Yeah. Feisty one, Bart. Yes, there we go. Well done, kid. Good morning and welcome back to the channel. I spent the night in that swim there that fished towards the reeds. Not a bleep. We've come in here. The rods have been out no more than 3/4 of an hour and it's rod off. Just, it is what it is, isn't it?
Skate.
Yeah,
Skate.
it is, mate.
Nice one. Yeah, he's gated. All fishes.
Yeah, they're holding
All
up.
the time is almost there.
Yeah, they're holding up in there, mate.
How long? 10 minutes?
10 minutes.
Yeah.
Or whatever. Right, been there about, I think it's about 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Would you mind winding that in for us, please?
Yes, you want to take out or not?
Yeah, might as well. I only usually fish tow rods in this swim, but I thought it might be fishing harder.
Where is that one?
Yeah, he's just, I need to go on the hill.
It's on there. Oh.
Yeah, it's alright.
I feel fish, mate.
Oh, do you? Oh,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I'll go back that way then.
Yeah. Yeah, still fish.
Still fish?
Yeah.
Oh, great.
No slack.
Oh, just
No,
leave
no,
that there.
Yeah, still fish. Mate.
Yeah, just let one go slack.
Yeah.
Completely. I'll just bring it back in. Let's have a look. Oh, lift it up. I think it's under there. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, snag, mate.
Yeah, it's alright, I'll sort it.
Snag.
Snagged up.
Nice fish, mate. It's good.
I've had that one before.
Come on, 20 pounds.
Yeah.
Probably.
I think I have anyway.
It's not the twin, but
No.
it's not the twin. But that one is that smaller.
Yeah, I've had this one before, yeah.
It's got 20 something. Probably.
Just scrapped out of these commons.
It's not
More...
too many of there, so
No.
it's probably maybe 3 or 4. It's only too big there. So
Love these rods. Yeah.
It's still fine, mate.
Still going. Crazy fish. Mental, isn't it? Nearly ready for the net twice and it's still doing that.
Come on to that way. Oh,
Yeah.
now it's ready.
Oops. Yep, we're off the mark with this old character. Been through the wars at some point. God knows what he'd fight like if he had all his fins proper. Right, let's slip him back. Nice to get off the mat. Yeah, we're in again. Oh man, that JJ.
Oh yeah, you're not a JJ.
Yeah.
It kept eluding me for years. Every time I signed in on Facebook, somebody had it. I could just never catch it.
It's not that big, I don't think.
Is that a flash of a common then?
I don't know, it's oh, it's a nice fish. Look at that, it's a bonny one, isn't it? A little scaly one. There's quite a lot of fish in here that are really... Yeah. There's a lot of lovely looking fish in here.
That's hooked in it.
That one is, yeah.
That's one of the stockers. Scaly stockers, yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's nice. Is that one what Gordon's handpicked then?
never handpicked them, they just got delivered.
Ah,
They'll grow up nice, haven't they?
oh, definitely. You know what this one was when it went in then?
It was all about £12.
Nearly.
I hate netting fish for people.
Yeah, I usually
I feel right putting it on.
don't worry.
Net shy.
Definitely is.
I'm not going to scope it, I'm going to let you.
No, no, you're alright, yeah, that's the way. That's it, it's coming now.
Heads up.
Yes. Nice one, mate.
Alright.
Cheers.
No problem, mate.
I'll just leave that down there and then I'll...
It's a nice fish.
beautiful,
Nice
innit?
skills, I reckon that's a double.
Well. There's the sulker. Just put the...
Fish alright.
Yeah.
It shallows up there, doesn't it? And then it drops down.
Yeah. Does. I send it there with a... because it's faster.
Yeah.
If you do it by hand and then just do the last bit with the...
With the autopilot.
yeah. Good thing about solid bags is you can drop it right on your bait.
Yeah.
You can just let it go down with the bait, whereas you have to keep a tight line, don't you, on a...
Do you use them stems?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, you can have all your bags tied up at home, can't you?
Yeah, already done, it's all sorted. Fish number 2. That didn't take long either. What a bonny one, eh? Yep. To weigh it yet. It's only about 15 pounds, something like that, we'll see.
Is that off the gated then?
Yeah,
Is
yeah. Yeah, I just put it out. Declan was there when I put it out. Well, I need to sort my bags out again. Hopefully, should get a few more fish. Yeah, I didn't get here until about 5 o'clock yesterday. Did the night in Reeds, not a bleep. Come in this swim where I know they're holding up. I've already had two. It just shows you've got to be in the right place. Yeah, so there was 4 of us on last night. Barry had one during the day up beyond end. I had, like I say, nothing in the night. Lucas in the next swim, he had nothing in the night. And Declan was in this swim and he'd had 2. So as soon as he left this morning, I was straight in here. Yeah, it's a lot nicer day today. Right, catch you in a bit. Hopefully this is fish number 3. It's coming up that ledge, look. That looks like a nice linear. Nope. Nope. Maybe this time, no. Still not having it. There we go. Really don't like the net, does it? Come on, fella. Yes. Another nice scaly one. Lovely job. Fish number 3. We're rinsing it on here. Right then, you're alright there. See you in a bit. Right then. While that one's sat pretty in the net, I'll stick another bag on. Get this one out, and then we can sort the fish out. Yeah, I only use 2 rods in this swim because it's just carnage. Otherwise, yep, there's the mix. There's some sea nut boilies, a few MCS as well, 4mm pellet, spod liquid, garlic liquid, and some MCS powder. That's what's doing the do. Both of these rods are just in 9 foot of water off the slope towards the jetty. Right, so that's number 2. We'll send it. £19. Imagine that one, it's a 30 plus. There. Enough of that. Right, let's slip her back. Yeah, the reason why I fish about 10 in about 9-10 foot of water in here at this moment in time is because see all the silkweed, well, any form of algae, they love the sun, obviously. So obviously the lighter the water is, the more algae you're going to have. The deeper it goes down, the less you're going to get because of the less light. And 10 foot seems to be, 9-10 foot seems to be just on the edge of it. Yeah, it's alright fishing in weed if you've got clear patches, but as you can see, this is just thick all the way around when you look. But yeah, be nice if we have another session like the last one. If not, I'm going home happy with 3 fish. Barry's had 2 fish now, he's just had a common. He had a mirror earlier and then he's had a common, so they're on the munch. The other 2 lads have gone now. So it's Barry down that end, me down this end. It's a glorious day. See you in a bit if we get out. Oh, it's on fire here. Definitely on fire. Seems to be a lot of the smaller fish. But who cares? It's fishing. Sadly, that one pulled out. Never mind, we go again. Well, a few hours have passed since that last fish, and it's been absolutely dead. What's going on, Noddy? What's going on? Oh well, we'll see what the night brings. See you in a bit. Yep, 33.12. What a chunk. Sure for that. Yeah. It's what time is it? It's 4 o'clock. yeah, won't get in the bites. That's been out since that last fish, so I thought, right, I've one more night to go after this. So I filled the spot in, and yeah, what a tote on there. Get in. Right, let's slip it back. Buzz in. Buzz in. Yeah, chuffed for that one. Earlier on I thought, it's just gone dead, this swim. So I walked round to the spot, put 10 scopes in, 10 or 12, all over the spot, because I thought, right, I've got one more night to do. Let's just see what happens. Yeah, and it's produced that fish, so hopefully I might get a few more. I'll leave it at that, get my head down again, and I'll see you in a bit. There we go. It's only a little fella, just don't give in. Yes, number 5. Right, we'll sort him out. See you in a bit. Let's get a quick pick of it and then get it back. It's just good to get pictures of both sides of even the little ends, because you get to see how they grow. Right, let's slip it back. Good morning. We're on the feed again. Hopefully this is fish number 5. Not a very big one by the looks of it. So it'll be a lot of dancing around the tip. I hate it. You just batter you at the tip. It's nearly there. See the acid pear hanging out of its mouth. Acid pear, sorry, I mean pear and banana. That's got to be a last run shot. That's got to be it now. No, I don't want to come. I don't want to take a picture of you and then slip you back. Yeah, you can see the acid pear there. Come on. Yes. Lovely. Fish number 6. Let's slip him back. Spot on, eh? Bit of net repair while I had a little bit of spare time, and not so shabby with the tools I had. You're not doing so bad now, are you, Noddy? Eh? 6 fish now. What time are we on? So, the time is 1 o'clock. So I'm on till tomorrow morning. I've got to go early doors. Yeah, the wind's pushing down here. It's not always a good thing. Usually the fish are on the wind, aren't they? But it's got it ends up. It's got a bit of an undertow this late with it being so deep. So they usually go the other end. But you never know. There is a lad down there, so hopefully he starts getting a few. Right, see you in a bit. Right then, so for those that haven't seen the previous videos of the rig I'm using on here at this moment in time, so all it is just a 3-inch hook link there. Also at this moment in time I'm on the acid pear and banana wafters. They seem to be doing the job now. That's a long shanked hook with a long kicker. We've got one of our, so that's a bait screw, and then you've got the hook bead, and that's it really. Does the do. One of our inline lead systems here. Just works. There's no snags in here, so it's good. And if anything does happen, let's say your main line snaps, the fish is only trailing that around, and the next angler will take it off, or when you're using barbless hooks, it'll just get rid of it anyway. So yeah. And you've been watching me anyway doing my bags, so I don't really need to show you all that, but I'm doing it anyway. Right then, so I'll lay the bait in the corner, hook on the bottom. 3 of these, 1, 2, 3. Put the lid on the back of the bag when I'm fishing out of a boat, or if I'm not casting very far. One more scope there, little twist, get your PVA tape, 1, 2, 3, couple of granny knots, 1, 2, and then cut that off, poke your ends in, lick and stick, and that's it. Simple. And I've always got them ready to go. See you in a bit. Hazelnut tree, just realised, spot on. Good as gold. Just had 2 liners, so they're back again maybe. Right, see you in a bit. Well, I've had nothing since 12 o'clock. That was my last bite, not a bleep since. So hopefully something happens in the night. So it is 9:15 now. Usually get a bite around 12 o'clock it seems to be, so if I don't get a bite I'll be seeing you in the morning. Alright, see you in a bit. Bye. 25 pounds, 6 ounces of overslung belly angry fish. At 4:15 in the morning. Fish number 7. Last one of the session, I reckon. There you go again. Yep. Right, let's slip her back. Get back to sleep maybe for a little bit. Good morning. So we just had that one fish in the night. We ended up on 7 fish in the end, so not too shabby. Starting the slow pack down. I've got the big jacket on. It's a bit fresh this morning. So yeah, slow pack down. And if you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.